Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you an indoor review of the City Life wig by Raquel Welch in the color R1621S+, also known as Glazed Sand. I'll talk about this color in just a second, but first I want to give you my initial impression of this wig. I actually think she looks really cute on me, and I think that the hair actually felt super nice when I first got it out of the box. Now, I specialize in right out of the box reviews, so by and large, I do not style the hair. I do not put any products in it. Once in a while, I might put some water on it or let it sit on a mannequin head overnight, but I usually mention that during the course of a given video. So this is like most of my videos where this has not been styled. I have not done anything to this hair. I basically just put it on and fluffed it a little bit, and that was it. So one thing you'll probably notice right away, right out of the box, is that this is a really cute little shag, but the structure is a little bit different because the top is very sleek. It's very innocent looking. And then the back has this gigantic bump. Now that's something you're not gonna really get from the manufacturer photo, but it totally has a built-in bump it. I actually think that makes it look pretty cool. You know, I'm not really a bump it person, but I actually kind of dig it on this one. I think it enhances the style and makes it look a little bit different than some of the other shags of this length that you're going to find online. So with that in mind, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little turn for you so you can see what City Life looks like from all sides. Magic swishy chair. Okay, so let's get down to brass tacks. The front on this one's long and it's thick. It's 5.5 inches and it's made to be swept off to the side. Now on some of my more fine featured friends, you may need to thin out the front a little bit, just a heads up there, because it's a little bit on the thick side, but I think it looks really nice on me with this volume, but I got a lot of face. The crown down is 6 inches. The sides are 6. Really, this is just a very heavily layered, heavily textured wig. So the only other measurement aside from the crown and the front that you should be concerned of is the nape measurement, which is 2.5. It is flared out at the nape, as you saw when I turned around, and that will give you very nice coverage. And because it's flipped, it's not going to rub up against your neck all day, which will help prolong the life of this particular style. This one you're going to get a lot of longevity out of. Very nice. It only weighs 3 ounces, so it's very nice and lightweight, and it's a pretty comfortable wig on, I will say. So let's talk about the color. Now with the indoor reviews, the real problem is the glare from the heavy-duty lights that I've got on it. But you can still kind of see the color in pretty decent detail here. This is a dark ash blonde that has a little bit of honey mixed in to keep it from pulling too cool. And then it also has some very nice sort of medium to light ash blonde highlights on top. So it pulls a little gold in this lighting, but in general this is kind of like a neutral sort of dark blonde. It doesn't have too much ash in it. It doesn't look like a dark ash blonde. It looks like kind of like a neutral sort of pretty sand blend, you know. Lots of wigs come in this sort of sandy color, and this is very representative of that. This one is really nice. It doesn't really weigh much. It has a fully hand-tied monofilament top, though I will say that it's going to be tricky to get that front piece to move in a different direction than where it comes right out of the box. So you're probably gonna have to play with it a little bit, maybe wash it, maybe pin it in place while it dries to kind of train it where you want it to go. And then the front is very nice and it's completely hand-tied as well. I'll show you what that looks like up close and personal when I put this wig back on. The sides are closed and they're covered with lace and some tracks on them. The sides are quite stretchy. By and large, I think this cap is very accommodating. It's got that memory cap technology, so that explains that. And then we've got this fully extended felt nape that's covered with this soft fuzzy material, and you can use the Velcro adjusters here to bring the wig in or out about a ½ inch. And then here is the thing I really wanted to point out, is that bump it, because that's something that is a key style feature and a key construction feature of this wig. So let's take a look. She's got quite a bit of permatease right back here behind the crown. But the great thing about the placement of this permatease is that, okay, look, it's a full monofilament top. Some wigs that have that permatease and the monofilament cut this part off, and then this is all permatease. Not so with City Life. You get the full monofilament top all the way around past the crown, and then beyond the crown is that additional crescent of permatease, and it's only in that location. So it's very localized, very tastefully done. Let me go ahead and lift this up a little bit so I can show you. So here is the monofilament, okay, which is very well done. So let me show you that monofilament. And then right back here, that's where the permatease lives. So it's in a location where the hair will just kind of cascade over it, and it will never become visible. That permatease will never be exposed. You'll never see it. I love these sort of dark neutral blonde shades. I love them. I always think they look so pretty on. Now you can do a lot with this because on the sides it's so layered. So you can definitely fluff that up and play with it if that's the sort of thing that you're into. This does give you some options due to the way that it's cut. So let me go ahead and show you that lace front while I'm at it. Okay, you go that way. So that is that lace front. It just kind of melts right into the hairline. Right there. Very, very well done. And there, this is nothing, that's my wig cap. You can actually obscure that a little bit better if you like by just adjusting the part. But yeah, that's very well done. This has been the City Life wig by Raquel Welch in the color R1621S Plus, also known as Glazed Sand. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. If you get a chance, check out my web store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. Until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.